So I'm developing my startup that's about a food mobile application exclusively for schools and institutions. So yeah, let me explain you quickly why I'm building this and how does it work. So yeah, basically at least in my country, most of the schools has like an inside cafeteria where students and teachers and people who belong to the school and can go and order food and buy food, right? So yeah, it's like inside the school, inside the campus, right? It's not something outside or restaurant, something like that. It's just inside. So sometimes you need to do a really long queue for this, right? So I want to solve this by building a mobile application. So students and people can actually go to their mobile devices and order something. And also, I want to solve the problem of an organization from the staff from the cafeteria that walks in there and basically cook this food and basically receive all the incoming orders and all that stuff. So basically, I'm gonna provide a system for them so they can basically easily manage all the incoming orders and they can actually automatically notify the user or the students whenever their food is ready to pick up. So this video is not about explaining what's my store about because I've already done that like 4 months ago in this video and you can go and check that out. But yeah, I haven't coded too much since then because I've been with personal stuff and I think that I made good progress, but I need to release this on February and we're on 10th of April by now. I'm recording this video. So what I had done so far is the system for the staff in the cafeteria so they can actually create products and basically manage all the incoming orders and all that stuff. It's not 100% finished, but I think it's like a 70 or 80%, and I'm actually going to show you right now what I have done. Alright, so the first thing that I did was creating a new Flutter project, but I couldn't because I needed to install Visual Studio for running it on Windows. But once everything was done, I needed to create a new Git entity repository and basically configure basic stuff about the project and any other stuff which is essential to do. So then I need to settle down the SQL database. So I'm going to use SQL because I'm actually good at it. I have where I'm most experienced, and if I'm going to make something complicated like this and a lot of information and a lot of connections, I need to use SQL because it's good to go. And yeah, then once everything was settled down, I created the model classes and other stuff. I was ready to start implementing functions and things and UI into my application. So basically the staff in the cafeteria can actually create products, so the users obviously are going to see all those products, that is the catalog and all that stuff. So basically I need to create a screen where the staff can create these products. So there's going to be basic information like the product name, product description, the price, basically an image and some other values. So the idea here is to create everything quickly, and I want to be easy on this and to make obviously the staff life easier. So basically I implemented a function where when they create a new product, they can actually search images on Google. So the idea is like you search a query and you get a lot of images because it will be pretty redundant to take a photo of every product that they have in the cafeteria and put it in there. So searching images from Google will be really helpful. But yeah, also I tried to make everything way more better. I added on more other stuff and I think that it's pretty well built, and I obviously had some bugs, but I was able to solve them. I think that everything looks good. I also added the functionality, so you don't only search images on Google. If you want to add a real photo, for example, if you have a special burger that you sell that is not on Google, you can actually put a real photo and select in the values real photo. So you must be wondering what is this strong option in here. So basically when a student orders something, they just can go and order a bowl of water, or they just can't order a chocolate, they need to order real food like a burger, like a pizza, or something that actually takes time to prepare. So what I'm going with is you just can't order a bowl of water, but you can order a pizza and a bowl of water. That's how it is. You need to have at least one strong product. I hope that you understand the point. But yeah, overall everything was good coding, and a good session. And yeah, it took me a little bit of time because I want to make everything really well built, even though the UI doesn't look the best. It's only working for Windows for now. It's not responsive design, something like that, but I was able to create the progs. So once I create the progs, I need to create the progs page, which is going to show all the progs, right? It's pretty obvious. Basically, each product belongs to a category. So you have a category of drinks, of food, of candy, or whatever, right? So then you can, when you're creating new products, you can assign those products to those categories, right? So yeah, I actually coded all of that also. And I created the categories, so you can create categories. Obviously, you can see all the products if you want to, and you can see each product by category. Yeah, everything was going well and going good. Obviously, I had errors. I had things that weren't working at all. But I was able to solve them like every nice program do. I was able to CRUD everything. What CRUD means? CRUD means create, retrieve, update, and delete. So I was able to create the procs. Then I was able to retrieve the procs so I can actually show them. I was able to update them. I also added this option of updating, so you can actually go click on that pen tool and basically edit any information as you want to, the image, the price, and whatever thing that you want to. And you can also put if the product is available or not, if you have stock or something like that. And then you can actually delete that product, because if you don't want to have it anymore, obviously you're going to delete it. All right, so let me be serious on this. I also added the capability to edit the category. You can add an icon to each category, so it's more descriptive, right? And yeah, you can actually delete the category if you want to and create new categories. So I mean, you understand the point. I need to create products. Alright guys, sorry for the wind. I'm actually in my holidays house, but I'm actually pretty happy because I finished the products page. So yeah, right now basically the staff from the cafeteria can CRUD the products, which means that they can create, retrieve, update, and delete the products respectively. So yeah, they can create categories, and everything that you has been seen, it's already done. And this also beta is not perfect yet. There's too many things to add, too many things to do. But I think that for a minimum viable product, I think this actually works good. So right now what I need to code is the homepage, which basically is going to be the main page where the staff are going to receive all the incoming orders. Alright, so for building the homepage, I needed to implement keyboard listening. So that means that whenever I press a key, something happens. So the idea here is to actually move between the panels where the orders are going to be. So I know it sounds a little bit confusing, so I'm going to explain you quickly how the system works. So basically, if we receive new orders, we can actually accept them if we click enter. So let's suppose that we receive this order, we click enter, and it goes to the preparation. So then it's going to be notified the user that its order is being prepared. Here from these orders, you can go for these panels with the arrow keys, and then with the arrow up and arrow down you can select each order. So once your product is finished and it's done cooking or it's ready to pick up, you click enter and it goes to pick up. So it notifies the user on its phone that it can actually go to the cafeteria and pick up. So then if the user picks up, you can click here and it's picked up. But you can also say, for example, if the user, I don't know, don't going to pick up the food, or just he leaves it like there and he didn't pay for his food, you can press escape and he will be automatically banned. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Yeah, basically I was able to create most of the part of the system from the staff from the cafeteria. And yeah, in the next video we're actually going to keep coding more of the system, and we're actually going to also start developing the mobile app for the users and have like a basic communication between the mobile app and the system. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. I also want to say to you, thank you so much. You have been the best. Basically my channel has been growing a lot. The last video about the startup got more than 150k views, which I just cannot believe. Yeah, I'm pretty happy, and yeah, thank you so much for everything. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye.